Hello from Switzerland, guys. Welcome to Gonegone. For those of you who don't know who we are, my name is Bastian and Claudia's somewhere around here. And we are actually planning to go to Thun because we had just a hustle week and we just want to go out and explore and just see a little bit of the nature, and that's what we planned today. And I will throw you guys down to the car and see you there. And let's go! We're picking up some gas because, yeah, when you're out of fuel you can't reach any target. And then Claudia will head in over there to this little fuel station to buy a license. In Switzerland it's called a vignette, that we're allowed to go on the highway. For those of you who've never been to Switzerland, it's quite cheap. It's around 40 bucks. In US I think that's 45 bucks, something like that. And then you can drive all year with that. That's what you should do, because when they get you without, you will pay 200 to 240 bucks because you have to buy a vignette, a license, and you have to pay for that you didn't have one. So think that when you go on the Swiss highway. Yeah, the gas pump isn't working. Bye bye. Do you know what's happening here? Because we're here on Switzerland Autobahn, motor highway, and we just have guys from I mean Dutch, Netherlands, oh, someone from Switzerland, wow! Ooh, we found ours, guys. Holland, so Netherlands, spring break here, starts at the 21st of February, and today it's the 24th, so hello Dutch guys to Switzerland. I think that's the most tiniest parking lot I've ever seen. Can you see that? And welcome to Thun, I would say. That was a little bit a hard ride up here. Get a parking lot, but now we will go out and hope the weather will be better, because the weather forecast said it will be sunny, but as you can see, nothing here is sunny. We will make the best of it. We'll go for this castle or something like that here, and then maybe we will go to the lake, and yeah, see you there. And we finally made it. Short note for you guys, I hated to sit in the car for a long time. Long airplane rides are okay, but for both of us, we're just not that car driving people. This over there, guys, is the castle where we will go now for the first, and where we will wait and hope that the weather will be better. Claudia's watching the fishes. Well, guys, this little city is so special because you always have everywhere those tiny roads, and then we are going up to this castle, and you can find everywhere the signs, this signs, and then we everywhere have those stairs in between of the houses, and yeah, you feel like it's an old town, and we're gonna go and explore it now. Those stairs with that height are even way more breathtaking than normal stairs. But we're fine. We're going up. we will see the castle. Castle Thun. Come on, Claudia. Oh, look at this. This. What is it? And we finally made it! Claudia a little bit behind. Last steps up. And no castle. Ah, here we go. Just a little fun fact. When you're in Switzerland and you find those, how do they call it in English, Claudia? Fountain? Yeah, you see what I mean. Here, water gets out for free. Everywhere in Switzerland you can drink out of that. Not like in other countries where you can get poisoned, but here it's quite okay to drink from it. But I will not do that now because we have -1 degrees and the water is freaking cold. Look at that. This is Thun from above. Not so much to see because it's very cloudy, but we will go in here now. The Thuner Castle, I don't know how they call it, if they call it anyway. Restaurant, hotel, Schlossberg Thun. Here, it's a hotel where you can sleep. Well guys, that was a little bummer here because we were hoping for a little bit better weather, but yeah, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Today we lose, and maybe next time, and see you back home. Bye bye! And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Claudia's Instagram and my Instagram. I will pop up down here, and see you next time. Bye!